your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, Larry here and welcome back to another pen review. I'm going to do an update review on the Fountain Pen Revolution
Triveni.
And that's the big brother to the junior. And I'm going to ink it up with the newest ink the Fountain Pen Revolution carry is the classic black. And then later I'm going to do a review and show you all the current colors of Fountain Pen Revolution. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I showed you, what, 4 of them last time? 2. Yeah, so I'll bring those 4 back and I'll put these 2 with it. So you'll have all 6 colors together. And you can just look at them and just say, God, that's a pretty color. That's a good looking color. So what do you say? Let's get started. Yep. Plastic bottle cap. You get some paper here ready. So, hope everybody's been doing well and hanging in there. It's getting kind of tough. I know it is. This virus thing, man, it's back and it's strong and it's deadly, and we've got to be extremely careful. I know Mr. Announcer is going through a time himself at school. Teachers are falling out like flies, and so are students. So, with that said, let's get to inking this baby up. When I did a review on this pen, I was really impressed with it. It wrote really, really well. No problems with the pen whatsoever. So here we go. Now this is the pen that I bought from Kevin. La 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 la. Let's set that down for a second. Make sure that's closed. All right. And let me make sure that's like that. And before I do the test, let me get that here out. Let me just go ahead and put a sample of this color down on rhodia paper, just to give you a little look-see. Okay. Oh, that's some pretty black. Really nice black. I like the black. You know, when I get a black, I want a true black. I like a nice dark black, and this is sweet. Okay. So, let me clean my mess off over here. Oh. Very good. I guess I'll get some bleach out later. Never fails. I always get something inky, don't I? Never has failed. Okay, so classic black. Let's get this little jewel out. And we'll get a little look at the paper. And here we go. And classic black. All right. Let me get that more. Get all that ink off. We'll just do some swirls here. And a little wet test. It really lays down the ink nicely. There you go. And reverse writing. And not a lot. I would say none. And then you get a little bit right here. But excellent nib, smooth, wet nib. It does a great job. The pen has just done very well doing what it needs to do right, with no hard starts, no burps, just a really nice pen to use. And I'm sure if you decide to buy one of these that you'll know exactly what I mean when you start using this pen. Fast writing. And no problems whatsoever. Really, a really nice fountain pen. Really nice. So, do me a favor. If you decide to get one of these pens or an ink or something from Fountain Pen Revolution, let them know that you heard it from Larry's Fountain Pens, okay? And don't forget, Kevin's got some codes going on too as well. I think it's what, 15% off or something. Let me see. I'm trying to look. Dun, 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 dun. Of course, I'm totally organized. Right. Okay. So
I believe it's 15, and the code is in our description box.
okay, so there you go. So there you have it, folks. Thank you for joining me. I hope you liked this ink. I know I did. I'm very picky when it comes to ink. I like for the ink to show the true color. I don't like pale inks. I like the ink to pop. If I like gray inks. I really love the blue inks, green inks, orange, browns, yellows, turquoise. Yeah, I like numerous inks, but I want that true color of the ink. So there you have it, folks. Thank you for joining me on a serious note today. You have been a blast. So with that, stay safe, wash those hands, wear your mask, and peace and love to you. And please don't text and drive. Bye-bye.